Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage sync in contacts and Facebook friends, a section on your account on TikTok easy and quickly. So first of all, enter TikTok account and then click on your profile section, then click on the three lines here and go to the settings and go to the privacy settings, and here we have this sync contacts and Facebook friends. Click on it. So as you see here, we have the sync contact, so your phone contacts will be periodically synced to help you find and get discovered by people you know. So if you want to turn this on or off. Also here we have the sync Facebook friends, so the same thing as sync contact. Here we have the sync Facebook friends. So that's it, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.